Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Majarati and currently I am a final year veterinary student at SQUAS Jammu. And it's high time for me to start focusing on my future and decide what to do, like to go for UPSC or to do the preparation of state veterinary officer exams or to do PG or to prepare for ICR. And I was so confused until I get to know about the WISE IAS Academy. So WISE IAS Academy is a premier institute dedicated for the advancement of the veterinary professionals. Specializing in veterinary sciences and animal husbandry, the Academy offers comprehensive courses tailored for veterinarians who are aiming to excel in various competitive examinations. Dr. Ankesh Bisla, with over 5 years of experience in veterinary sciences and animal husbandry, leads the faculty, ensuring that the students receive in-depth knowledge and practical insights. The Academy offers a huge range of specialized courses for veterinarians, which includes ICAR AIEEA PG courses. This is dedicated for the students who are interested to do post-graduation through the ICR examination. State Veterinary Officer exams, dedicated for the students who are aiming state veterinary officer exams. UPSC Veterinary Science optional course. This is focused on the aspirants who will choose veterinary sciences as their optional subject in the UPSC Civil Service examination. BVSC and AH professional course. This caters the undergraduate students pursuing BVSC and AH, and hence it will help them in their undergraduate studies. WISE IAS Academy emphasizes on a structured and focused interactive learning environment. So the Academy offers daily 2-hour live sessions to facilitate real-time interaction and learning. Also, you will get access to their courses for 1 year, and hence it will allow students to learn at their own pace. You will be provided with over hundreds of mock tests, and hence you can easily assess your preparation and exam readiness. They provide comprehensive study material, detailed notes and presentations to aid in thorough learning. You will also get interview guidance. Hence, the experts will guide you that how to crack interview for various competitive examinations. There is also a facility of regular doubt solving sessions which will help to clear your queries and reinforce learning. And I think I should mention that Dr. Shweta, who secured rank 1 in the Haryana Veterinary Officer examination, also used WISE IAS Academy notes in her preparation. And hence, you should definitely purchase their courses and start studying. The link of their website is in the description, and also it will be on the screen. And I will also mention their contact number so that you can call them directly and start studying. Thank you so much.